Welcome to the Jungle Jamboree. Who's ready to dance, explore, and learn with the letter M?
Hi, super readers. I'm Captain Alphabet, and today we're marching into the jungle to find the magic letter M.
M is for monkey. That's me.
Let's all say it together. M says like mango.
Mango.
Monkey.
Magic.
Magic.
Great job, jungle friends. Let's march to the M song.
March, march, march with M. Munching mangoes by the tree. Monkeys, mud, and magic too. Monkeys, mud, and magic too. March, march, march with M. Munching mangoes by the tree. Monkeys, mud, and magic too.
You did it! You're now official members of the M team. Don't forget, every time you see an M, say like a monkey munching mangoes.
Subscribe for more awesome letter adventures with Captain Alphabet. Bye-bye, Jungle Explorers.